What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today I'm checking out the Going Gear EDC Club Premium subscription for September of 2022. This is, if you're not familiar, a subscription that will send you EDC gear. There's two tiers, $60 standard tier and the $200 premium tier, which gives you everything from the premium subscription plus 1 to 2 extra items that are considered premium items. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in. And I'm opening it today with the Kaiser Assassin, which I just did a video on. It came from, I think, last month's Going Gear subscription. So if you're interested in checking that out, definitely do so. I'll put a link up in the corner. But yeah, let's check out what we got this month. So right up top, you have the packing list, and you can feel free to pause there if you'd like to read the contents. So the bottom first, which is the standard, as well as the premium portion up top. And I'm just gonna kind of reach in and start grabbing stuff. So right up front, we have the Raylight Pineapple Mini, and it looks like it's an aluminum red. This looks like a flashlight. It can come in black, red, or blue, and it's $31.50. 240 lumens, and has a tritium slot in the tail switch, it looks like. It comes with a rechargeable 10440 battery, but also accepts AAA. And so there's probably some sort of sleeve blocking the battery, I'm guessing. Don't know if anything came out actually, so. They also didn't put the pocket clip back on, but let's see if that did anything. It did not. Let's try the other side. Oh, there it is. So yeah, there was a little sleeve blocking the battery so it doesn't drain during shipping. Alright. So it looks like it has 3 modes. Really low lumen mode, probably 1 or 5 lumens. Double clicking it gets you to the medium, and then double clicking again gets you to the high mode. So not sure if there's any other settings. I'll have to read through the instructions, but a good looking flashlight. Like the red quite a bit. Cool that it has a tritium slot. And you can get those tritium inserts from Glow Rhino, probably some other places too, but Glow Rhino is the one that I know of. But really good looking flashlight, and again, that's listed at $31.50. So next up, and it looks like there's 2 of these actually, it says Professor Puzzles. Professor Puzzle, 2 at $6.65. Not sure if that's $6.65 each or $6.65 total. But little matchbook box puzzles. These are really cool, definitely interesting. Not sure they're super EDC, but they're kind of a throw-in item and seem pretty cool. I'm a big fan of actually these type of puzzles. If you watch Chris Ramsey on YouTube, he does a lot of puzzles, also magic, but mostly puzzles nowadays. And so super excited to see those. We'll definitely check those out. Let me know if you're interested in seeing a video on those separately, but not really the normal content for the channel, but still really cool to see in the box. And again, those are listed at $6.65, and we have the Yin and Yang as well as the Wheel of Fortune. Next up is this Keyundi. I have no idea what's in here. It says KK01 on the packing list and is listed at $22, so. Looks like some sort of blade. I'm assuming it's like a scalpel maybe. Oh, I don't actually need this. It looks like there's a tear. A scalpel / utility knife style blade. And it looks like it's a kind of disposable bladed scalpel. Looks like blade 24. I have one of these from Countycom. I'm not sure if they're the same blades or if they're different size. But it says, this is one of the best compact keychain knives we have seen lately. It's built with titanium handles and number 24 scalpel replacement blade, making this well-made, easy to use daily carry. Hook it on your bag, your keys, and put a lanyard on it. Throw in your pocket, which is a typo there. I do know how to read. Put a lanyard on it, throw in your pocket. No matter how you decide to use this, we think you're going to enjoy it. So pretty cool looking, and only 22 bucks, so not too bad, and really nice is that replaceable blade. So looks like this is kind of the knife for this month, this in the standard box at least. And one other item, which is actually really interesting, is an Alpaca Hub pouch. And so I've done a couple videos on these, both the regular and the Velcro version, and on the channel if you're interested in checking those out. I also have an Alpaca Hub affiliate link as well as a 15% off discount code, which is Jacob15 off. So this is $35, which is the right price. That's what you'd pay on Alpaca as well. So cool to see this in there. I have one in black, one in orange, as well as a Velcro one. So I don't have the gray yet, so that's interesting. And at least this comes in a different color, but really good kind of pocket-sized pouch. A lot of organization options in here. Again, I have a full video on this already. In fact, I think I have 2 full videos on this already. So if you're interested in checking those out, I'll try and put a link in the corner as well. And that's it for the standard box. So it looks like we got the Raylight Pineapple Mini at $31.50, the Keyundi Scalpel / KK01 at $22, the Alpaca Hub pouch at $35, as well as the 2 puzzles at $6.65. So really good value there, and really nice kind of rounded out kit. The flashlight, a blade, and a pouch, so that's pretty cool. And then on to the premium subscription. There's only one item this month. It's obviously a giant mouse, as you can tell from the box, the giant mouse Ace Corda, and this is listed at $195. So check this out. This is the second giant mouse from the premium subscription. I think the second or third ever box was also a giant mouse. And so this has, it looks like kind of a natural micarta. Cut this open real quick. So it says the new Ace Corda conjugation of cortar, meaning to cut, is a small stout flipper with a pointy but strong blade that fires open like a rocket. Once you get the Corda in hand and flip it open a few times, we think you'll agree this is a functional tool made for everyday life. Stonewash Bowler M390 steel with brass backspacers and micarta handles. So yeah, really nice brass backspacers, and again, it's obviously a flipper tab. Very snappy right out of the box. And super smooth. Feels extremely smooth. It is a liner lock, and yeah, really nice looking knife. I like the grind on that. The flipper tab works well, and pretty sleek looking. It's kind of got a little bit of a drier micarta. It's not super polished or anything, so it's still a little bit tacky, but not too grippy. But super cool knife, and again, $195, so the premium box is $200, so this is pretty much the entire value of the premium box, meaning you get most of the standard contents for free, if you want to look at it that way. But even the standard, which is usually $60, you're getting about, let's see, about $90 worth of value there, so about a $285 value in this box, give or take a few dollars. But super cool box this month. Again, really well rounded with the knife, the pouch, the flashlight, and really good EDC gear here. So super excited about this month, like all of the items actually, and yeah, I think they did a really good job on hitting the value and getting a nice mix of things. So let me know what you think of this month's box down in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And just a reminder, if you're watching this before October 2nd of 2022, my 1,000 subscriber giveaway is still going. That video was on the Vault Nano case. And so if you're interested in entering that, definitely go check it out. That's going again until October 2nd. So if you're watching before then, definitely check it out. But thanks so much for watching, and hope you have a great one. Take care.